Greetings smartwatch fans! Eto, meron tayo ditong affordable, budget-friendly version ng Xiaomi Smart Band 9. Ang Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active. So, inactivate na natin yung Smart Band nito para makita natin yung offered menus at features. Yung Xiaomi Smart Band 9 ay isa ngayon sa mga popular na budget-friendly fitness tracker. Okay? Yun pa rin, from Xiaomi, at ito yung affordable version ng Smart Band 9. Yung isa, ito yung somewhat premium version ay yung Xiaomi Smart Band 9. Ito yung active. Kung napapansin nyo, magkaiba yung design, mas malapad yung o mas malaki yung screen display, pati na rin yung body frame. Okay? Iba rin yung screen technology. So, aalamin natin yung mga features ng fitness tracker nito. Kasama na rin yung design. And, of course, ano nga ba yung mga loaded na features sa sports function at sa health. So, kung meron kayong tanong about sa Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active, drop lang ng comment sa baba. And ganun pa rin, like, share, and subscribe sa ating nag-iisang Smartwatch Pinoy TV. Okay, so start na tayo. Tingnan natin ang Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active. So kung naghahanap kayo ng affordable na fitness tracker, ito yung budget version ng Xiaomi Smart Band 9. Kung di nyo kayang price ng Xiaomi Smart Band 9, kasi ito, nasa range ito ng 1,800 to 2,000. Okay? While yung Xiaomi Smart Band 9 is ranging from 1,000 to 1,200. Depende kung merong sale. Okay? So, lightweight pa rin and natatanggal yung strap. Okay? So, ito yung strap ng Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active. Marami namang third-party strap na mabibili. So, kung ayaw nyo yung black, gusto nyo yung sporty blue, yellow, or green, or two-tone strap, merong mga third-party strap for our Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active. So, plastic pa rin yung body frame. Yung charging cable nito, pareho din ng Xiaomi Smart Band 9. Okay, so lightweight. Solid naman yung pagkakayari. Walang physical button. Okay, so kung babalik nyo sa strap, press nyo lang, and yun na. Okay, so iba sa ating Xiaomi Smart Band 9. So, sa Xiaomi Smart Band 9, so meron siyang lock and ganon. Okay. I-press nyo lang ulit para malak o ma-attach yung strap. So, ito, isahan na kagad. Anyways, okay pa rin naman yung smartwatch. Very light. So, tingnan natin yung sa weight. So, meron tayo ditong weighing scale. Tingnan natin. So, 0, 0. So, measure natin. So, 29.60. Okay, or 30 grams. Okay, round off na natin sa 30 grams yung smart band. Kasama na rin yung strap. So, very lightweight. Medyo makapal lang ng konti, pero ganun pa rin. Mas wide yung screen display compared sa ating Xiaomi Smart Band 9. Pero yung screen display nito is TFT LCD. So, tingnan natin, meron ba ditong specs? Ayun, meron tayo dito. 1.47 inch ultra large TFT LCD to. Okay, all day blood oxygen monitoring. Meron din 50 sports mode. Yun nga lang, kasi yung Smart Band 9, more than 100 plus yung sports functions. Ito, nakalagay dito 50 sports function. Pero meron pa rin namang scientific sleep monitoring. Okay, pwede din pang swimming. 18 days of battery life, matagal-tagal din. All day heart rate monitoring. And kung ano pang features. Okay, so titingnan natin. Yan yung ating i-explore sa smartwatch, sa fitness tracker na ito. Smart Band, na mukhang smartwatch. Okay, parang blend ng smartwatch at smart band. Okay, so tingnan natin yung offered na menus and features ng ating Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active. Okay, so tingnan natin yung UI. So sa taas, notifications na nakaka-receive to ng app notifications at SMS notifications. Sa baba naman yung menus. Ito yung pinaka-settings and other options dito. Dito naman sa kabila, yung iba't ibang widgets. Okay, so dalawa lang. Okay. I think sa support app, hindi ako nagkakamali, pwede nyo i-set. Sa offered menus naman at features, ito, sa sports, ito yung mga listed sports function. Okay, tingnan yung mabuti. Baka dito yung sports functions na gusto nyo. So, meron siyang outdoor activities, may trainings, may ball sports, winter sports, at recreational sports. Tingnan nga natin sa outdoor. So, ito yung mga outdoor sports functions. Okay. Closer look tayo. Yan. Outdoor running, walking, at hiking. So, sa training naman, so ito naman, may freestyle, treadmill, jump rope, yoga, indoor cycling, more on sa mga gym to. Rower, care training, flexibility, pilates, stretching. Okay. Meron ding dumbbell, barbell, weightlifting, sit-up. Then, ball sports. Tingnan natin, may basketball ba? Snowboarding. Then, tingnan natin, ball sports. Tennis, yun. May basketball, golf, soccer, volleyball, baseball, table tennis. Ilan ba dito? 12. At least 12 meron. May winter sports din. Recreational sports, archery, tug-of-war, at frisbee. Okay. So, meron tayong history ng activity nyo. Automatic activity tracking, meron din. Heart rate monitoring, meron din. Blood oxygen, automatic sleep monitoring, stress monitoring, weather report, events, music control, remote camera, alarm, stopwatch, timer, find phone, at sa settings, meron tayong band display. Yan yung mga watch faces natin. Display option, may brightness, auto lock, meron tayong raise to wake, at cover to sleep. Meron ding do not disturb mode, vibration. So, wala tong beeping mode kapag nakaka-receive ka ng notifications. Walang sound. Vibration lang. May password, battery option to. So, pwedeng mag-set ka ng ultra battery saver mode. So, once turned on, 6 days at 6 hours remaining yung itatagal ng smartwatch o smartband natin. Depende sa charge. So, nakikita nyo, 15% na lang din natitira. So, 3 days and 2 hours na lang yung paggamit natin. Pero pag sinet natin yung ultra battery saver, magkakaroon ka ng additional na 3 days at 4 hours. Kasi 6 days at 6 hours dito. Kung hindi, 3 days at 2 hours lang. Okay? Napakagandang option to. And system, reboot, power off, connect a new phone, and reset. So, ito yung mga iba't ibang menus at features na offered sa ating Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active. Okay, so far okay naman yung smartwatch or smart band. Meron din siyang real-time heart rate monitoring. Yun. So, kung di nyo suot, papakita niya na or mag-alert siya na you're not wearing the band properly. So, pag suot nyo naman, so magde-detect siya ng heart rate nyo. So far, okay naman yung results ng heart rate. Kinumpare natin sa ibang fitness tracker natin, ibang smartwatch, and so far, okay naman yung results. The same with blood oxygen monitoring. Yung hindi lang natin na-try dito yung sleep monitoring. Okay. So, that's it sa ating unboxing review ng ating Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active. So, yung contents ng box natin, Xiaomi Smart Band 9 user manual at yung charging cable. So, hindi na natin linabas yung charging cable. So, Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active User Manual at itong fitness tracker. Nakasama na rin yung strap. And of course, yung USB Type A na charging cable. Again, like, share, and subscribe sa ating nag-iisang Smartwatch Pinoy TV.